So a hairs and the circle and the lips and the eyes is being drawn. Here's a ponytail that is being drawn and the girl holding a hand, and then the leg is being drawn. So here the girl is holding a kite. Put some shades with the red color and the green color to the frog. A circle is being drawn and the eyes. Here a boy is being drawn, is sitting. The back end of the hand and the hands is being drawn. So holding, and then the trees is being drawn and he's holding an instrument removing the plants. Two circles and one more line is being drawn. Again one more line is being drawn. So, and back vehicle that is being drawn, put some shades with that with yellow color, and the blue color, and the wheel is being attached with a gray color. Let's draw some 3 different circles, and let's draw some 3 different emojis of people. And hand, a cap is being drawn, a boy with, and then a girl is being drawn with legs standing and the hands is being drawn. Then another circle, a plait, a ponytail that is being drawn, and the hand and the leg is being drawn. Put some shades to this. Skipping is playing.